One of the best coaching videos is from Timo Boll. You can search his channel by searching Timo Boll Web Coach. His coaching advice is precious. I also like watching the videos of Nam Do. He is filming with the professional coach Phillips Flores. Phillips is a professional player and also a professional coach. There are many good details from the coach. I have learned a lot by watching the video of Nam Do. I recommend you go to watch his videos. The channel link is found below.